Okay, let's do a quick tutorial about how to find just about any link that you need when it comes to sending customers to certain places on your website. So if you're starting in Consultants Corner, go to your name, drop down, and view your personal website. The key to everything is right here, the browser. Whatever's in this search bar up here, this search bar, whatever you want to call it, that's what you're going to do. So say you need to send somebody to your website because you want them to be a consultant. They want to know more about it, and you're sending them your Be a Consultant link. Click on it. Now whatever's up here, you're going to copy and you can paste somewhere else. You could send them to your recipes, just your recipe landing page. You can send them to this inspiration page. You can send them the blogs. Offers has what we're giving away. But two things that are sometimes harder to find is the registry. So if you have a bride or someone with a new house, someone that's registering for something that you want that to be able to connect it to a party later, then you're going to send them to this link right here. Just click registry. Now, if it's a host or a guest and you want them to just fill out a wish list, click on wish list, copy, and paste and send. So basically just about everything that you need to send to a guest or a host or anything like that is here. And then don't forget that you always have access in Consultants Corner, and whenever you have a party, all of the links related to the party are here. Drop down. So remember this first one, it takes you directly to your website that's connected to your host party. This party page link takes them to something that looks like this on the right. They will see this on their cell phone. They will see this on their desktop. You don't always have to send people here because then they still have to click shop now. If you send them this, it's as if they clicked shop now. But I always send this one to my host because she needs to be able to text, Facebook, use it for that, and then sign in to see her host dashboard. Speaking of which, you'll want to share this link as a direct way for your host to get to their dashboard, because sometimes they don't get this here or see it. And you can also send them this first. Sometimes some consultants send the training video first and say, watch this video and then give me a thumbs up and I'll give you your actual link. So these are where all your links are that are directly related to a party. And that's what you need.